Welcome to video 41 of series 3, and in this video I'll implement Game Over. The first thing I'll do is to add in a new UI panel. So this canvas menu, I want there to be a Game Over piece here, panel that appears on the screen. So I'll just make another UI panel. I'll call it Panel Game Over. I want it to only fill the middle portion of the screen, so I'll use this middle stretch. I'll change its height to say 400, change the color to full black, increase the opacity to like 200, and add a text to it as well. The text will say Game Over, and I'll increase the size of the text in just a moment. Let me just change the color, okay. Put on best fit to say it's like max size 300, and I also need to increase the width and height, so I'll do that right here and press Alt, set the height to say 300. Good, that's pretty clear. Okay, now I don't want this to be on when the game starts, so I'll just disable that panel, and then I'll just disable the canvas itself. Good. Now I'll write a new script, so create C# script game manager Game Over. And then save options. Okay, as usual, namespace S3. Copy all this. No need for these methods, and I'll have two variables: private game manager master. Game manager master is what it'll be called. A public game object panel, no. A public game object panel Game Over. Okay. Then void on enable. Void on disable. Void set initial references, and a void turn on Game Over panel. Okay, set initial references. Game Manager Master is get component. What component is that? It's the Game Manager Master, of course. Okay, then I'll call that up here. Subscribe, so Game Manager Master dot Game Over event plus equal turn on that. Okay, good. So this script is really just controlling that piece of UI. Remember, all the other stuff happens automatically, like the pausing of the game and bringing up the menu, which is nice and handy. Alright, so if panel Game Over is not equal to null, that's the first thing I should check. If it isn't, then activate it. Panel Game Over set active true. Okay, and that should do it. Going back, drag it on, then go and get the panel Game Over, drop that on. Okay, so of course there's no way for us to test this until we have a way to call the event. So I might just quickly make just a quick test script, just a really fast one. So C# script test Game Over. Open that up. Yep, alright. And just put it in the namespace, S3, okay. And I'm just going to say like if input dot get key. Oh, say get key up rather. Get key. Key code dot what key should I use for testing? Maybe I'll just use my O key for right now. Just get rid of this. Alright. Then in that case, get component Game Manager Master. The dot call event Game Over. Alright. So I'll just quickly attach that to the game manager and I'll get rid of it shortly. Okay, good. Hit play. Okay, jump into the game, hit O, right, there we go, game over. So that's perfect, it's working nicely, and yep, well, I guess that's exactly what's supposed to happen. Then you can hit restart and start playing again. Okay, so that's excellent. So that's what will happen in game, and I'll just get rid of that before I forget it. I'll probably use it again, but I just have it there. So okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and keep on going.